We're having a great time creating amazing recipes for Waterloo Brewery. Waterloo Dark was the first beer that Waterloo Brewery ever made.
It's light body, but very rich in flavor. And then it finishes with a malty, chocolate, toffee flavor to it.
We're gonna take all those characteristics and turn it into an amazing barbecue sauce.
You're gonna do what with my beer?
Homemade barbecue sauce. Don't be intimidated by it. It's really quite easy. We're gonna add in 1 can of Waterloo Dark. We're gonna add that to our pot. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. If you want a little bit smoky, you can add a whole bunch more than that. Worcester sauce, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of that. 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar to give it that nice little punch. And then we're gonna add some sweetness with some maple syrup. So 3 teaspoons of fresh maple syrup. And then to give it a little bit of thickness, we're gonna add some molasses. 3 teaspoons. We're gonna stir that together. We're gonna add some dried garlic, 1 teaspoon. Some dried onion, again 1 tablespoon. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of mustard. And then we're gonna add 1 cup to 1.5 cups of ketchup. We're gonna bring this up to just a gentle boil. We're gonna cook it off for 5 minutes, that's all you have to do. And then you have an amazing homemade barbecue sauce using Waterloo Dark beer. You take some amazing Nutrifarms baby back ribs. I have them on my baking sheet. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of moisture to it using our Waterloo Dark. We're going to just cover it underneath. 1 can will usually do, sometimes you need 2. You wanna braise them for about 3.5 hours at 250 degrees. So you're gonna get some of that moisture and some of that great flavor coming out, you know, the coffee nuances, the chocolate nuances into the ribs, which is absolutely fantastic. We're gonna take a little bit of dried garlic. Again, put that on our ribs, just like so. And then some dried onion. And it can be as liberal or as much as you want. There's no right or wrong answer. Just a touch of salt. And then we're gonna take our beautiful Waterloo Dark barbecue sauce and then just kind of move that and brush that over. It doesn't need to be a whole lot, it's just gonna give it a little bit of flavor. And then also give it a little bit of caramelization as we're doing this. If you wanted to, you could also brush the bottom back of your ribs. 250 degree oven, don't even look at it for about 3 hours and your ribs are gonna be perfect, and then we can finish them on the barbecue. Or you can actually store them in your refrigerator for 24 hours, put a little bit more barbecue sauce on, and they taste amazing. So the big reveal of our baby back ribs made with the Waterloo Dark barbecue sauce.
They're looking fantastic, Chef D.
I always believe that the ribs shouldn't really fall right off the bones. There should be a little bit of pullback. And like I said, you know, it still kind of holds to the bone. You don't want it to totally fall off the bone.
I'm excited. I'm really excited about this.
See what you think.
Okay, come on, Juan, you get in here too. Can't be just me.
Alex, I'll reach across for you. How's that? Like they're just taking all of it over here.
Awesome.
There you go. For this recipe and more, please go to waterloobrewing.com.
This is the best part of being a brewer.